Hello my friends, I am Sri Arjun. Today's topic is Transcendental Consciousness and Initiation of Action. My son was upset as he went to his grandmother's funeral. So he was absent for 1 week from his school and he had to complete his school project. But his friends were not cooperating him. His friends were not giving their notebook, and one night he asked me, Papa, really your transcendental consciousness works? I told him, just you can experience. Then I taught him the technique of connecting principle to transcendental consciousness. Very easy technique. And he practiced for a few weeks with devotion. Then 1 week later, he told me, Papa, what happened? I don't know. Something happened within me or something happened within my friends. I don't know. Everybody is giving his homework, his notebook. Everybody is coming forward to help me. Why, Papa? So I told him, I don't know. You can ask Transcendental Consciousness field. So when you connect to the field of Transcendental Consciousness, that all-knowing consciousness initiate your action, initiate your future action. Most of the time, you don't even know why you are doing some certain things, how you are doing the things. But when you will achieve your goal, then you will experience some mysterious hand at the back of your success. In our Transcendental workshop, we just teach your mind, train your mind to connect to the field of Transcendental Consciousness. For forthcoming seminars and workshop, you can text me or call me. My number and the links of my blog and other social handles below in the description. Please stay tuned with us. Namaste.